Hello, everybody, and welcome to my room tour of room 12110 at the MGM Grand Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. And here I am going right into the room. You could see the king bed right there and the desk, but we're going to show you the bathroom first. Um, Standard bathroom. This will suit your purposes wonderfully. Sink, mirror there, little, the toilet. There's the bathtub with the shampoo and conditioner that they give you, uh, normal stuff. Um, and like I said, it'll suit your purposes wonderfully. And let's show you the room. There's a mirror, closet, there's your dresser, king bed, his and hers, nightstands. On the left nightstand is the safe. It's in the bottom drawer. There are your outlets as well. There is the dresser, the mini bar, um, and turning around, you see two seats and your desk if you plan to work. So you definitely have some nice space there. King bed again, and keep in mind this is the Grand King room. So it's a pretty nice spacious room. You get a nice little view, and that's it. Thank you for watching my tour. Be sure to like and subscribe. Take care and have a great day.